How to fix Delta Force crashing on Steam or keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on Delta Force and then go to properties and then go to general tab and under launch options. You want to type -dx11 like this. And then you want to right click on the game if it's installed already. You want to go to installed files and then click on verify the integrity of game files. And then wait for this process as it might take a while. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button and then find Delta Force exe file and then right click on it and then go to compatibility tab. And then you want to disable full screen optimizations, make sure it's checked, and run this program as administrator is also checked. And you can close out of this. And the next step is to open up your GPU application where you can check for updates. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app basically. Then you want to go to drivers section and check for the latest updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now once you do that, you'll be asked to restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, just open up Steam and start playing the game again. And that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.